Hello everyone. Today we will explore 4 altcoins. They are BONK, 1000 Sats, Ego, Paysenger and Seam for Seamless. But first, let's check quickly about Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance. Also about what I had told you in the previous video. This is the Bitcoin price right now. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see in the previous video, I had mentioned that this is the resistance level and it is well respected right now also after so many touches. The Bitcoin started dominating again, but the altcoin rally of today started because the dominance fell today and the altcoin dominance started because whenever Bitcoin dominance falls, the altcoin dominance rises. Today we have seen huge rally in BRC20 tokens and also in BONK, that is the meme coin on the Solana chain. If you have seen my previous video, I had mentioned over there in the technical analysis that BONK is going to go up higher. In the previous video, I had mentioned that BONK will rise from here, from this price, and so the price has changed by 45% till now. But you should know right now if it is a good time to sell the coin or to purchase it or to hold it. Let's get back to the technical analysis of BONK. You can see the point of control and the heavy resistance, the POC is at 0.015 and this is very hard to break right now. If you can get this price again, you can purchase over here and wait for another rally. If you are holding the coin right now, then please, it is the best time to get out and take some profits. It is not a financial advice. Also, I will give you a quick recap about BONK. It had been here since 2022 and people had been accumulating this coin. We can see it in the daily chart frame. After that, the KuCoin listing happened along with $58,000 reward and airdrop for 51,000 holders. After that, this is the fresh rally of today. It is because of the listing on Coinbase. Coinbase listing is a huge thing for this coin as the US investors will be able to purchase this coin now. Let's move to the next altcoin, that is 1000 Sats. This coin has a 21 million supply just like Bitcoin and it is completely minted. This token was inscribed in September 2023 thanks to this Twitter account of Whale Hunter Binance. He had mentioned that 14.59 billion tokens of 1000 Sats have been purchased, that is about $8 million. And this is the reason for the pump in 1000 Sats as it is not yet listed on a huge exchange but only on Binance. And this whale has soaked a huge supply and so there is a lot of demand right now in the market. This is the reason why the coin is pumping and you should not be purchasing this coin right now. I think this coin will be a huge pump and dump right now, but it applies only for a few days. This is a huge resistance, 0.0006, and you can try to buy over here, but please do not buy at this highs, but please do not buy at these highs. This is not a financial advice. I'm just trying to teach you the trading. Let's move to our next altcoin, which is Ego or Paysenger. It was launched as an IDO on TrustPad in July 2023. It was a bear market and coin fell down. A lot of YouTubers had told that this coin is going to do a 10x, but unfortunately the coin came down. There was an accumulation zone over here. After that, there was a huge pump seen since 2 days in EGO, which is 111%. Let's explore the reason for this pump. This is the white paper of Paysenger. You can see that this is a collaboration platform for content creators. It pays out to the content creators and also people can purchase the subscriptions to view the social media content. This is the website of Paysenger, that is EGO. You can see the motive over here about how the content creators are paid and how the subscribers can pay. This is another page. This is how the content creators can create their posts, and if their posts are in the top then they receive EGO as reward. This is the old website of the IGO which was made during the IGO phase. You can see the token allocation. Let's check the allocation. You can see that about 40% of the tokens were sold, a lot of them to the VC funds, some in the public round, some in the KOLs round, and some are with the advisors. Also 30% is with the marketing team. This is a huge reason this does not look good and the coin can be dumped by the team or the previous buyers. Let's check why this token pump. EGO had a huge rise in the installs and in the premium collection by the subscribers. The number of visitors also increased. As you can see over here, 2.5 million visits. This was the catalyst. This is the breaking news from the team and they have fixed the glitches in this Paysenger system, that is EGO. If the question is if you want to purchase this right now or not, then after this huge correction, you can purchase right now. If you are holding, you can hold, but there are many other better tokens. As we have discussed, the tokenomics is not so good of this token. Let's move to Seamless, SEAM Seam. Let's move to the next altcoin, SEAM Seamless. This is yet another DEX. You can see you can supply and borrow tokens, bridge and swap cross-chain, loop and amplify tokens, earn rewards and govern in the network. This is their website. You can supply and borrow, also do the cross-chain bridge and swap. Frankly, there are many such tokens right now with the same features. Seamless uses the base chain which is by Coinbase. Seamless uses the base chain which is by Coinbase. The tokenomics are pretty good as community owns 70% of the tokens and support and foundation owns only about 20%. Core contributors are owning 8% and community contributors are owning 3%. The token supply looks good. The tokenomics look good. The recent price pump was due to the Coinbase listing. This listing was quite obvious as Seamless was using the base chain which is by Coinbase. If you will ask me, unfortunately, I do not have the layer 2 data to show you, but you can see that the token have been falling in a pattern and this is not a good sign. This might be a result of the profit booking by the community, the token holders and the team. So a quick recap, if you wanted to purchase today, EGO Paysenger, it was not so good idea. Seams by Seamless, it is also not so good idea, and 1000 sats is a clear pump and dump by the whale, as we can see 8 million activity in it. If you want, you can go for the BONK, as this is a meme coin powered by Solana blockchain and I see the technicals are good. Please like the video and subscribe if you want to see me daily. Thank you.